Bam! What up, YouTube? What up, guys? What up, guys? Welcome to Stocks Life. What's going on, guys? Guys, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. And if you're not new, then thanks for returning and welcome back, guys. So a couple of things. We're going to talk about the stock market crashing, guys. This is not good. The market is crashing. But actually, no panic. No panic. And I'm going to explain to you guys what's going on a little bit. What happened the past 2 days, guys. Things are changing. A lot of things have happened. But everything is explainable. There's an explanation. So 2 days ago, not 2 days ago, yesterday, guys. Yesterday, Jerome Powell, sorry, from the Federal Reserve Bank, spoke. Everyone was waiting for his speech, and guys, he was going to announce like what is going to be the changes on the interest rate, on pretty much the future of the economy. And things are not as bad as what we were expecting. Like pretty much what he said yesterday was a big speech at 2 p.m. yesterday. No hike in policy interest rate. No hike in policy interest rate. The interest rate will remain pretty stable. Core inflation was announced at about 2.2%. Domestic product growth at about 6.5%, which are good numbers. This is good for the economy. This is good for the stock market, guys. Which means it's still a low inflation, and with projection of things going down for 2022, which is good. As long as you want to be at about 2% inflation. Like when it starts going over, you know, if we start being over 2.5, then and it starts getting higher. Now, the stock market was fine after the speech yesterday, and everything kind of crashed this morning. Everything kind of crashed down a little bit this morning, and one of the reasons why is because people noticed that the bonds over 10 years moved a little bit, which people got scared about it a little bit. I think we're good. I think there's no panic. As long as the interest rate doesn't change, the economy should be fine. Economy should be fine. They're still gonna keep putting money in the economy. The shorter term yields are actually lower right now. Like 2 years bonds, they're lower, so which is really good. You would think we're fine. Now I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio, guys, and you guys can see it did crash yesterday. Well, I mean, this was all this morning, but things are coming back up. Things are coming back up. I think people are realizing that things should stabilize. Things should stay stable, and as long as they're backing up the economy, we're good, guys. And you can see, because I have money in a lot of different stocks, not a lot of money, but a little bit of money in a bunch of different stocks. And when you see that everything is going green overall, I'm going to show you guys, you can see that overall things are going up today. And you really see it with certain companies, like for example PayPal, you know, certain big company. Moderna came back up a little bit, 142, so not bad. And guys, this is good stuff. Like, it did not crash. I was really afraid that everything was about to crash. I think we're stable. It's a little bit right now, it's a little bit of a mess. The stock market, if you look, it's a little bit it's unstable, but almost in a good way. As long as you don't take a big gamble and don't make bad decisions, things are really going up and down, and there's a lot of good opportunities to get stocks that would be really hard to buy. And right now would be it would be a good idea to just take stocks that, instead of trying to get on new stocks, to try to look at what you do have and try to balance out your profit on it. Like anything that went down, if you have a little bit extra money to put into, try to set yourself at some good buying price. I mean, I'm going to show you guys ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil went down this morning all the way up to 55, almost $54. 55. It hit $55. It's a very good buying price. Very good buying price. If you look, I think the call for ExxonMobil is at $74. Yeah, fair value of $74. Right now, we're looking at 57. This is a buying opportunity. So when you see the market crash like this, or certain things, if you keep an eye on it and you make smart decisions, these are opportunities. This is an opportunity to get your hands on, you know, fix your position. Make sure you get a stock at a good buying price. You're not overpaying for it. and we're good. Apparently things are not about to crash. The economy is going to remain solid. They're going to keep backing it up, and they're going to keep backing it up until we're out of this pandemic. That's what it sounds like. So hopefully we don't see anything crashing within the next couple weeks. I still think, guys, that things are unstable. They're unstable. So don't go bet on all these new companies and all this new stuff and take new gambles. I would say fix the position that you guys have in your current stocks. So let's say ExxonMobil. That's what I was kind of waiting for. ExxonMobil, I bought really low. I happened to buy my average cost at $40. That's my position. This is what we have to think. Like, these are opportunities to buy. As long as you don't have to sell, you're good. And everything did not crash that bad. It's not, the market did not crash 20% or anything. So things are looking solid and looking pretty good with what Mr. Powell just announced for the next year coming up. And guys, interest rates are through the roof, so low. They're really, really, really low right now. So it's a great thing for the economy. As long as the interest rate remain low, guys, the economy should keep growing. And that's the number one thing that we should kind of pay attention to. Is, I'm not saying for one determined company, but the overall market. As long as we can keep those interest rates low, the economy should have no problem growing. And then we're all good. We stay in the green. Guys, I'm going to do super quick recap, guys. I just sold 2 contracts that I was really negative in. I made some bad decisions this week, and then the market crashed a little bit. So my overall, and actually it's pretty good. Overall, you guys see I'm under 9,000 at this point, but we're still overall positive 24%. So not terrible, guys. Hopefully we can get back up to 30% really soon. That's kind of to me, it's my 0 mark. Being 30% overall profit is the 0 mark to hit. So we need to get this back up another 6% right now. Another 6% would be welcome. Also, guys, cryptocurrencies, real quick. I always like to do a quick update on the cryptocurrencies. Looking good, man. Cryptos are going up. As usual, cryptos are going up, guys. The Dogecoin is coming back up finally. Let's click on the Dogecoin real quick. So we're at 0.058. And our position on it at this point, guys, is at 0.58500. So we're almost there at break-even point, guys. It's almost there. We're almost there. Actually, if you look at the overall, today's return $7, and we're at plus 0. I mean, that's a break-even right there. We're at plus break-even. We all know it's going up. We all know it's gonna come up, and especially with everything that just got announced yesterday, guys, we got some good news. It's pretty good news actually for the stock market. It was supposed to be bad news, but it's not. It's not. We're good. We're good. And pretty much they all resumed everything that happened yesterday. It all boils down to this one thing. Central banks are sticking to the plan, they're gonna let the economy run hot. And as long as they let the economy run hot, it should be good. We should be fine. Just don't take big gambles, guys. Don't take massive gambles. I did this week, guys. I did on AMC. I lost some money in AMC. I just can't seem to figure it out on AMC for some reason. I bought it really high, sold it really low, the worst that you can possibly do. And then when it came back up, I didn't have the money in it. I put a put contract on it, betting that it was going to go down, and it did not go down. So double loss on that. AMC, I'm done with AMC. I will no longer be putting $1 on it, because you have to learn from your mistakes, man. It's the only way to grow, is you learn from your mistake. I did a bad call on AMC, and I will show you guys, because I think that's being realistic. I'm not just going to show you guys my profit. I will also show you guys my loss. So if we look at AMC real quick, I bought a contract 2 days ago. 2 days ago for almost $300. Show all. For $244, guys. I just sold the contract right before turning this video on for $60. So major loss. We lost $180 in about 2 days. Major loss. I learned from my mistake. Guys, if you're gonna get into contracts, if you're gonna get into stock options, which are contracts, go long term. don't squeeze yourself. That's what I did. I squeezed myself. I had to sell this contract today, and it was a really bad decision. I could have bought the contract to be expired within several weeks. I picked today to get it really cheap, and I lost it pretty much everything. So it is what it is. But that being said, we are still overall looking solid with a 24% profit. We just dropped down to 23.9. Hopefully this will come back up by tonight. I'd like to see this number at 9,000. This would make me feel a little bit better. But we're still good. We're still in the profit over 20%. So really, really good. Guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope this was that you learned something out of it. If you did, please let me know down in the comments. I know this is still, I'm not a pro at this, guys. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just trying to do my best to keep track with everything and try to make good decision and let you guys know what I'm doing. So put down in the comments where you guys are at with the stocks. What do you guys want to, if you guys want me to clarify something in my next video. And I'm going to try to be a little more on stock side, guys. I'm going to try to be a little bit more on this channel, try to make it grow, try to come up with new stuff. So put down in the comments anything. Don't forget you need to subscribe before you leave. And guys, I'll see y'all later. Good luck on your investments.